Hey, what's going on YouTube? Jivetalk231 here. Just wanted to give you guys a quick review of this Exelon 12,000 milliamp hour power bank. Now this isn't just your normal everyday power bank. I know you guys hear me talk about Anchor power banks all the time, but this one's a little different. Not only does it have USB output here, but it also has AC output right here on top, so you can charge bigger things like laptops and things like that. And we'll get into which laptops it can and can't charge in a little bit, but I just figured I'd show this to you guys because I really feel that this is a really good option for travel, because it can not only just charge USB powered devices, but you can charge bigger things like laptops. So let's go ahead and take a look around the power bank itself. Now, taking a look at the top here, this is where you're going to actually charge the power bank itself. In the box, you will get a power brick. This part goes into the actual power bank itself, and then you get this end right here that'll go into the power brick, and then it'll go into the wall. So that's what you get included with this power bank. On this side here, this is pretty much where you're going to find everything else. This is your USB output here. It does have some LEDs around that, so that's kind of cool. It's output 5 volts and 2.4 amps. You got your LED indicators there, your on and off button, and your AC on and off switch. So it is really cool that you can power it on for the USB and the AC separately, which is really nice. And nothing else around the power bank. You just have some little feet on the bottom. That's pretty much it. It is a fingerprint magnet, as you can probably tell. So up here we do have this cover covering the AC output. And yeah, so this is it right here. All right, so let's go ahead and get some of the other specifications out of the way. It does have an AC output of 120 volts, 60 hertz. It does have a maximum power output of 65 watts. And it weighs in at just under a pound. As you can see, it's pretty big for a power bank. But again, it does charge more things than just USB powered devices, so that is really cool. And the USB output, if you missed it before, is 5 volts DC and 2.4 amps max. So that's pretty much it for that. It does have other things like overcharge and auto power off protection, universal plug adapter included, which is something I forgot to show you. Here it is right here, universal plug, which is really nice that they included that. And it also comes with a carrying pouch, so it's nice that they included this, just a basic carrying pouch. Very nice of them to include that. So with all of that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how exactly this works. All right, so I went ahead and pulled over my iPhone here. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in using this USB cable here. Go ahead and plug that in, and there we go. We are now charging, so pretty much standard stuff here. But not only that, we're gonna go ahead and plug in this 13-inch MacBook over here. Shout out to my sister for allowing me to borrow this, because this power bank cannot charge the 15-inch MacBook, which is rather unfortunate. But we're gonna go ahead and charge this one here. All right, so here is the power cord for the MacBook. I'm gonna go ahead and plug that in. I'm gonna go ahead and put that into the MacBook there. As you can see, it's not really charging yet because I have to flip this switch here on the side. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. It's gonna activate the AC output. There it goes, it's lighting up red. And it's powering it, there we go. And now the MacBook is charging. So not only now are we charging our iPhone, we're also charging our MacBook, which is really, really cool. So this is a really nice option if you wanted to charge your laptop on the go and also charge a USB powered device at the same time. If you don't really want to use a power inverter in the car, I know those things can be quite the hassle, but this is a really nice, accessory to bring along with you. Again, it's not too big, it's not that heavy. It's pretty much a good size for a power bank of this size. So it's really, really nice. I would definitely recommend it. I've been using it for about a week now, and it's been working out really well for me. It's been charging my iPhone a couple times, charged up this MacBook, and yeah, unfortunately I can't use it with my 15-inch MacBook, but that's okay. But 13 and under, it'll be just fine. So this is a really nice option for you guys. I'll put a link for this down below in the description. Definitely recommend that you check it out. That is it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. You can also follow me on Twitter at Jivetalk231. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.